Okay guys, so welcome to another video. Today I'll show you guys the basics about filling PCPs. Okay guys, if you own one PCP, you'll need to refill the PCP with air to be able to shoot again. So how do you do that? Maybe you own a filling pump, but that's hard work every time you need to fill, and the best option is to have one of these. This is 300 bar and it will be enough to recharge several times any airgun. Now, what do you need? You need filling adapters. So first thing first, most rifles will fill up to 200 bar. XTI, Styer, and this one, the SPA, all three fill up to 200 bar. So, and here we have 300 bar. So, quite a bit difference. What do you need to do? Be very careful and never overfill the airgun reservoir, okay? Because we have here greater pressure than the airgun can handle, okay? And that can be very dangerous. So always read your instruction manual, and this is a disclaimer for me, okay? So read your instruction manual and don't overfill. I'll show you what you need to do it. So this is a 300 bar, and let me show you. This is the thread adapter for the 200 bar accessory. If you notice, the 300 bar, the thread is much bigger than the 200, okay? And that's because it has to handle higher pressure. So first thing you need is one adapter to screw here and then connect to the airgun. Guys, I'll do first the XTI because it's the newest here and I want to completely fill her. So let's do it. What do you need? Apart from the bottle, you'll need a filling station. So this is the filling station, right? And you plug here the adapter for the specific airgun you're gonna fill. That's it, pretty easy. And then your filling station, you have to screw it completely to the bottle. Okay, till the end. Okay, that's it. No need to over tighten, just hand tighten, and that's enough. Then what do you have? This is a bleed valve. So first thing is you plug your rifle here, then slowly open the valve and listen to the airgun to refill. And once it's topped up at 200 bar, you close the valve and purge all the air in the lane, in the filling line, okay? And only then you take this apart. So let me show you. All right, so connect your filling line, your filling station to the reservoir, done. Connecting to the airgun, done. Then first thing is you must make sure your bleeding valve is closed, and you watch closely your pressure gauge, right? In the XTI it's here, and you start opening slowly, and this noise, it's normal, it's the air passing by the one-way valve, and it's starting to fill slowly. This is supposed to take quite a while to fill, to be the safest as we can do it. Okay, so I'm going very, very slowly to fill. I'm filling the XTI from 100 up to 200 bar. So let's wait a little bit. Almost. Okay, so the air gun is now at 200 bar, right? So we don't even feel it warm. So now we cannot take this out, right? Because all this is 200 bar. So what we need to do, this is closed already. Now we'll open the bleeding valve. Done. This all is discharged and it's safe to remove. Safe to remove the accessory. And very important, before you lose it, put the cap, the dust cap on again. And that's it. XTI ready to rock. So this is the XTI with the air arms filling adapter, right? And I'll show you some difference to two other air guns. Well, sometimes people have, instead of the original air arms, some other brands have a filling probe. Okay, so this is a Foster connector. This was built to make it very easy to change from one brand, from one adapter to the other. That's it. Okay, you pull this back, you pull this a little bit back and you remove it. You insert a new one and you remove and you push it forward, and there you have it. Okay, so how does this works? Same old. You get your air gun. Remember, do not overfill. Read the instructions and fill up to the recommended pressure by the maker, by the air gun factory. Probes. You have to remove. This one is lost already, so you have to remove the dust cover. Insert the probe. Okay. Probes inserted. Air gun is upside down so I can see the pressure manometer. The bleeding valve should be closed and I'll start filling. Okay, here we go. See how it slowly goes up and up. This one I'll only fill up to 150 because I know it's the sweet spot. And I'm not using this air gun, so I just want to keep it charged. Okay, so again, close the valve first, then purge the air in the line, remember? And now it's safe to remove the filling probe. Pretty easy. Okay, so air arms and the filling probe done. The other one we have here, it's the Styer, and Styer is a little bit different, always a little bit different. Because in Styer, from factory, you have to remove the cylinder, unplug the cylinder directly to to the bottle. So let me show you. This is closed. I'll remove the filling line or the filling station or whatever you call it. Okay, so this is the Styer. This is the Styer accessory for recharge, refilled again, the air gun, but it's 200 bar and I have the 300 bar here. So what do we need? I need to put this in the middle. Okay, so this will convert 300 bar threads up to 200 bar threads. So this will go like this. Again, hand tighten it, that's enough. And now the Styer, hand tighten it, and that's it. Like this is not, this is by hand, okay? Now, you get your Styer, if you're new to it, remove the cylinder, let me check, this is a little bit under 200 bar, so I'll fill it up, I top it up, and just to show you guys. So then you have to connect the cylinder to the bottle. Okay, hand tighten it. Look carefully at the pressure gauge or the pressure manometer, and then open and top it up. Okay, that's enough. Now, we don't have a purge screw here, so what we do, easy, unscrew the cylinder, and the air here, that's 200 bar, will escape now. And that's it. It's safe to remove the cylinder and put it back where it belongs. So again, this air gun is not in use, and I'll keep the cylinder not fully screwed, so the pressure regulator won't be working. So it's everything it's off here, and this rifle like this it's also impossible to shoot, and I want to keep it like this for a long time. This was 101 on how to refill your air guns with all the different air guns I have in my house. So remember, connect the filling line to the bottle. Then make sure your purge is fully closed. Then connect your accessory, the one you're gonna use to recharge the air rifle, and plug it into the air rifle. Then carefully and very, very, very slowly fill the air gun until it's the maximum pressure by factory, okay? Remember, read your instructions. After that, before you unplug the filling line from the rifle, you have to purge the lane. Remember, small screw and get all the air out, and then it's safe to unplug the line from the air rifle. And that's all it is to it, guys. So remember, everything untightened. No, don't need to go crazy, tighten everything with tools or anything, okay? All untighten, and do it slowly, and be safe, guys. When in doubt, ask someone. Or if you have any questions, if I can help you, just drop a comment. down below, and I'd be glad to help you. Okay, guys, I hope if you're seeing this video, maybe it's the first time that you're planning to have a PCP, and I'll tell you, PCPs are the best. Okay, PCPs are great air rifles, and it's lots of fun. But remember, always be careful on how you refill. Okay, guys? So have fun, and anything, just drop me a line and I'll be glad to help you. Hope you enjoy. Remember, subscribe and share with your friends. Bye.